Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cameras for food photography that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Byzone 8 pieces 16 patterns tabletop small food background kit. While not a camera, this kit is a crucial tool for food photography enthusiasts on a budget, offering a professional touch to your photos. It includes 8 double-sided backdrops with diverse patterns, a sturdy tabletop board, clips, and an L bracket for easy setup. The backdrops are made from high-quality coated photography paper, offering durability and water resistance, although the edges are not waterproof, so handle with care. This kit excels in its design and portability, with a folded size similar to an A3 sheet of paper and a weight under 2 pounds. It's compact enough to carry around, making it perfect for bloggers, content creators, or online sellers looking to enhance their food or product photos. While it doesn't directly impact image quality, its ability to provide attractive and professional backgrounds makes it a valuable addition to your setup. The Byzone kit is ideal for beginners or anyone working with a smartphone or basic camera. The biggest pro here is its affordability and versatility. However, it's not a substitute for an actual camera, so pair it with a good camera for best results. If you're on a tight budget or focused on improving your backdrop game, this is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the Senine digital camera. This compact and affordable option offers a 64 MP photo resolution and 4K video recording, making it a great choice for beginners or casual food photographers. It comes with a 4-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy sharing, and a dual lens system that allows for convenient vlogging or selfies. Plus, it includes a 32GB memory card, lens hood, and a carrying case, so you're ready to start shooting right out of the box. The design is lightweight and user-friendly, with a built-in flash for low-light conditions. However, the image stabilization is digital rather than optical, so it may not handle motion as well as higher-end models. The camera doubles as a webcam, which is a handy feature for content creators, and the pause function is great for seamless video recording. For $119.99, the Senine is a highly accessible option for those just starting out in photography or looking for a secondary camera. While it's not suited for professional use due to its fixed lens and lower quality build, it's a practical choice for Instagram food shots or YouTube content. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, but the lack of advanced features might limit its appeal for seasoned photographers. Moving on to number 3, we have the Abubu 5K digital camera, which packs a lot of value into its $109.99 price tag. This camera features a 64-megapixel photo resolution and 5K video recording, powered by the IMX386 chip for detailed and vibrant images. The standout feature here is the 6x optical zoom, which allows you to capture close-up shots of food with precision. It also boasts autofocus and anti-shake functionality, making it easier to achieve sharp, stable images. The Abubu camera includes dual lenses for added versatility, a built-in LED flash, and a 3-inch LCD screen for easy framing and navigation. It's lightweight and compact, making it a great choice for food bloggers or travelers. The included 64GB memory card, 2 batteries, and other accessories ensure you're ready to shoot for extended periods. This camera's biggest strength is its optical zoom, which sets it apart from other options in this price range. While the build quality and low-light performance may not rival higher-end models, it's an excellent choice for beginners or hobbyists. If you're looking for a budget-friendly camera with advanced features like zoom and dual lenses, the Abubu 5K is well worth considering. Coming in at number 2 is the Outfly 8K digital camera, which delivers impressive specs at an accessible price of $119.99. This camera features an 88-megapixel photo resolution and 8K video capabilities, powered by a Sony IMX586 sensor. With its dual-lens setup, 16 times digital zoom, and 6-axis stabilization, it's designed to capture sharp, detailed images and smooth videos, perfect for food photography and vlogging. The Fully Outfly stands out with its 3.2-inch IPS touchscreen, making it easy to navigate settings and review shots. It also includes Wi-Fi connectivity for instant sharing and supports external flashes and microphones for more professional setups. The package comes with 2 batteries, a 64GB card, and other essentials, so you're fully equipped to start shooting. This camera is ideal for users seeking high resolution and video quality without breaking the bank. Its build quality is solid for the price, and the included accessories add value. However, it relies on digital zoom, which may not produce the same clarity as optical zoom. Overall, it's a fantastic option for content creators, food bloggers, and anyone looking for premium features at a budget-friendly price. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera at $479. This is the most premium option on our list, and it truly delivers unmatched quality for food photography. Equipped with a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, the Rebel T7 offers incredible detail and clarity, perfect for capturing the textures and vibrant colors of food. Its Digic 4 Plus image processor ensures fast and accurate performance, while the 9-point autofocus system allows for precise focusing. The included 18 to 55mm lens is versatile, making it ideal for close-ups and wider shots. The camera supports RAW file formats for advanced editing and has built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing. Its optical viewfinder provides 95% coverage, giving you a clear and accurate view of your subject. The body is lightweight for a DSLR, and the build quality is solid, ensuring durability over time. While the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is on the pricier side, it's a professional-grade camera that's worth every penny for serious photographers. The pros include its superior image quality, versatility, and reliability. The only downside is the learning curve for beginners. But once mastered, this camera is a powerhouse for food photographers. If you're ready to invest in a top-tier camera, the Rebel T7 is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you had any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.